Hi everyone, today we are going to create Diwali look for teenagers and girls. This is a look which I am going to create today. Let's start with the face makeup. For priming my face, I am using Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser Primer. This helps to create a barrier between your skin and foundation and also provides you poreless, flawless skin to apply your makeup. On top of that, I am using Maybelline foundation, and this is a Dream Radiant foundation. This provides medium coverage which is suitable for teenagers. This gives you 12 hours of continuous hydration, visibly improves skin. It does not give clog pores and give you flawless look. For setting foundation, I'm using a MAC translucent powder and dusting to my face with the help of the fluffy brush. I got dark circle and pigmentation to some areas of my face. For color correcting that, I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade orange. For blending my color corrector, I'm using finger so that it does not spread the product where I don't need. It's good to blend with your finger. This is my opinion completely. For setting the concealer, I'm using same powder and dusting to my face. For highlighting my face, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer and applying to area where I have applied color corrector, and also to the area where I need to highlight my face. This concealer help to reduce appearance of skin imperfection and gives you feeling. It does not gives you feeling of heavy or cakey looking skin. I am blending my concealer with the help of a Real Technique foundation brush. For setting the concealer, again I am using MAC translucent powder. This will help to set the concealer and the whole makeup. Let's start with the contouring. To define my face, I am using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chocolate, applying to my jawline and to sides of my forehead. This concealer sets very quickly, so hence I have to blend it really quick. Again for setting, I'm using MAC powder. Let's start with the eyebrow makeup. For eyebrow, I'm using ProChoice eyebrow palette. This is a wax base brow gel. With the help of angled brush, I'm applying to it. I'm not just dragging the brush because I want to give a hairy look appearance. It really volumizes my eyebrow and fill the gap between my brows, as you can see. Let's start with the eye makeup. For priming my eye, I'm using MAC primer, and for eyeshadow, I'm using Revolution eyeshadow palette in this. To provide depth to my eyes, I am using light ash brown color and dragging that with the Real Technique eyeshadow brush from outer corner of my eyelid to inner corner of my eyelid. Next, I am going to take orange color and apply with the narrow brush to inner corner of my eyelid and drag upward to eyelid. Third color which I am using is shimmer based golden color, applying to middle of my eyelid with the help of flat brush and dragging outward to outward corner of my eyelid. To provide a drama, I am using dark chocolate color and applying with the help of narrow brush from outer corner of eyelid to inner corner of my eyelid and diffusing it out. Same color I am using for lower eyelid. With the help of same brush I am using from outer corner of my eyelid to inner corner of my eyelid and smoking it out. To give a illusion of bigger eye, I am using NYX Wonder pencil to lower lash line. In mascara, I am using Rimmel London Scandal Eye Mascara. This is really good mascara. This gives you illusion of fake eyelashes and really lifts your eyelashes. In eyeliner, I am using Rimmel London eyeliner and applying from inner corner of my eyelid to outer corner of my eyelid. I don't want really winged eyeliner. I want my eyeliner to be look really natural. Same eyeliner I am going to apply to lower lash line of my eyelid till half of the lower lash line. For blush I am using Revolution Sugar Spice blush and applying to temple of my cheeks. For highlighter I am using L'Oreal liquid highlighter with the help of finger. This mattifies with the skin very well and it does not look you have applied highlighter until you go to sun, like you come in contact with the sun or light, and it gives you really flawless look. Same highlighter I will be applying to my brows as well. This will lift my eyebrows and eyes too. For lip liner I am using New Look lip liner. This is a shade baby pink color and applying to corner of my lip. In lip color I am using Revlon lip color. This is a matte lipstick in the shade nude. I like this lip color very much. For setting my whole makeup I am using MAC setting spray to my face, and this is the look which has come out after 1 hour. You can do let me know what do you think about this look. Happy Diwali to everyone. Thank you for watching my video.